He did not withhold his own son, but handed him over for us. Why? So that you and I would know that no matter what we find in our hearts, no matter what we love the most, we can entrust it to him, and we can trust in him.
So it came from a pipe above us?
The dishwasher pipe busted.
My goodness, I left here at 10.
Huh?
And it was fine. I left here at 10 o'clock.
Really?
And it was perfectly fine.
But apparently that thing's off for a while.
Hibiscus?
I'm so sorry, we actually only have our cool lime refresher today.
Okay, then I'll have a cool lime.
Good choice. What size for you?
A venti.
Just a venti cool lime and a warm slice of banana bread.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Okay, so honestly, my third week of Lent has been a disaster. I've had lots of meetings and I didn't follow through on my 3 letters a week this week. My apartment flooded, as you can see. I have a new room now. I'm moving in this weekend, but that's a bummer, especially in the middle of a semester. I also just finished 3 tests today. It's been tough, and I'm glad that I have really good friends to stay with and to take care of me. But good things are gonna come.